Okay, guys, let's see. In today's discussion, we only have MCQs, there are no questions. So, there's a MCQ on 200 series, there are 3 MCQs. Let's see quickly. Don't pay for fun. DPF is a startup who is trying to get funding from investors. One of the investor expressed interest in looking at the investment proposal, but has insisted that the proposal also contains financial statements, which are audited by independent auditor. So basically, there's an investor asking for audited financial statements. DPF engages CA Abhishek to conduct an independent audit. Abhishek issues an engagement letter. Issues an engagement letter for independent audit to owner of DPF, which is duly acknowledged. DPF, while finalizing finance, is facing some difficulty as its owner requests Abhishek to provide advice as it needs to furnish proposal to investor fast. Since Abhishek is already engaged in audit of transaction, he assists DPF accounting officer and financial statement are finalized. Also completes audit and presents audit report, which also provided to investor. Has the condition set by investor been fulfilled? The problem here is that uh, he assisted DPF in accounting officer. So he's helping in accounting also and he's helping in auditing also. There's a conflict. And that's the problem. So what's the answer? No, the investor asked for independent audit. Yes, an audit report is issued after proper audit engagement letter and also examination of books account. No, C. Abhishek did not change the terms of engagement to include advice part along with independent audit. In order for his audit report to independent, he should have charged separate fees. This is not a question of fees. He has definitely done a mistake. So everything is all right. We cannot say that. This is not the proper reason. That fees is not the proper reason. As I had qualified sir to conduct audit, not only there's no evidence to suggest that auditor allowed any misrepresentation. See, he has done mistake for sure. So the conditions are not fulfilled. So answer is no. C is not the answer. So automatically A becomes the answer. Automatically A becomes the answer. Yes, that it is not. He is not independent because he is helping. He is helping in accounting also and he is helping in auditing also. So let me check if institute has given the same answer. Fine, I think institute must have given the same answer only. Let me just. Yes, institute has given the same answer. It is A only. No. So this is very simple. You can eliminate things and you can reach the correct answer. In order to form opinion, the auditor shall conclude as to whether the auditor has obtained dash about whether the financial as a whole are free from material misstatement, whether due to fraud or error. What kind of assurance we take? Reasonable assurance, high level of, not absolute assurance, not limited assurance, reasonable level of assurance. The auditor's dash safeguards the auditor's ability to form opinion without being affected. Auditors dash safeguards auditor's ability to form audit opinion without being affected by any influence. So, is it confidentiality? No. Is it integrity? No. Is it independence? Or is it objectivity? Now, that is going to be interesting because uh, what institute feels, it's more because of objectivity They're saying B is the answer. Independence and fairly. See, we have seen difference between independence and objectivity. Independence means not financially, legally, personally dependent on the client. That is independence. If you are independent, it helps you to remain objective, unbiased. Independence supports objectivity. So we can say that independence supports, protects objectivity, objectivity and integrity both, in fact. So independence is a very good safeguard. We can go with independence. So that's it. Those were the questions for the day. I think, are there more questions? No, only those are the questions.